It is Thredup Thursday, and today we're going to open one of my favorites, the Fun Box. This one is pretty new. It's still sitting in my pile of boxes that I haven't put into like my backlog of boxes. So it has come fairly recently, so that's awesome. I've gotten some designer boxes, a handbag box, and some fun boxes with my credit through Thredup, and I'm almost out of credits. I've been trying to just keep on ordering them when I see them pop up so that I have inventory here to keep doing videos for you guys. This one is coming to us from Phoenix, Arizona, so we will see what this one has in store. And if you happen to be new here, my name is Christina. I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark, eBay, and I do send some stuff into the Referral, so also sell there too. Let's get the tape cut. I don't know where my box cutter is. I feel like I just used it, so it's missing at the moment again. I do a lot of my packaging for work out in the other room, so sometimes I take it out there with my tape gun and then it doesn't make it back in my office. So we have the trusty scissors as backup. All right, the receipt is right here on the edge. So let's see. I had some papers fall on the floor. Okay, let's see when I ordered this one. Okay, this one I ordered on December 7th, so super recent. And if you're not familiar with the Fun Box, you get 10 miscellaneous items. So it can be anything from socks to a bag, pajamas, random things you don't even know what they are, scarves, who knows? I've gotten designer items in here before, so you never know what you're going to get. It can be a box full of treasure or a box full of trash. So let's see what we got. The box runs $34 plus shipping plus tax. So that's why I've been using my $20 rewards credits on these. Let me give you guys a peek. Looks like we've got a little sweater right off the top. Okay. So this is Time and True, which is a Walmart brand, and this is the cozy wrap. Let's see if there's a size. Whoever had the size cut it off. I bet I can sneak through here and try to find the tag. This feels very soft. I have a little wrap similar to this that I got at Costco, I think, and I wear it a lot around the house when I get cold. It's very soft. You can kind of see that picture of her. It's in like a grayish green color. Can you guys see that? So it looks kind of gray and then it looks kind of green. I don't know what that means, but it's like a gray green. We'll have to figure out what size. I will try to look that up and put it on the screen for you. If anyone is interested in purchasing this, I'll do it for $5 plus ship. I don't think it's a pound. So if it's under a pound, it'd be $5 if you want to purchase it from me directly. That is really nice. I like that. I'm just going to go ahead and give you a second peek because that pretty much took up the whole top of the box right there. I am going to keep trying to give prices throughout. A lot of you guys have been liking that. And then I'll give it a few days usually and then start listing the items I'm going to list. I've got a strapless bra here. Black. It's got like a lace detail around the bottom. New with tags. I don't see a brand, but there is an RN number, so I'll put the name of the brand on the screen. I'll look it up. This is in a 34B. There. And also has a style number. So it's got the tag missing right here, but it does come with the convertible straps. So you can wear it different ways. Nice. Bras usually do pretty well for me. Next up, we have a pair of bikini bottoms, it looks like. These are Exhilaration, Cheeky in a size medium. Right there. So little black and white gingham print. They've got these cute little side ties here. So you can kind of mix and match, right? Like if you have a top you want to wear it with. And it shows the Cheeky right there. Still has the sanitary liner. There's the back. So if anyone's interested in those, I don't know, $5. Next, we got a pair of socks. This is from the Wonder Shop. Right there. These look like Christmas socks. How sweet. There are 2 pairs in here. Fits shoe sizes. It says 11 to 1. Oh, these are kids socks. Okay, that makes sense now. In a size extra small to small. So these are cute. If anyone's interested in purchasing something that I have here tonight, the first person who purchases and wants these, I'll just throw them in because they were $3 at the store. If not, I'll just give them to my niece or something. Okay, next item or items. We have some tights. Looks like we have 2 different ones. Tabby socks. It says one size fits 5 foot to 5'8", 90 to 148 pounds. These say that they're in a neutral. The back says they're by Free People. Right here. And the retail on these was $28. Look how cute those are. It looks like they have little hearts throughout. That's cool. See, there's another one up there. So very light sheer pantyhose with those little hearts. Those are sweet. If anyone's interested in these, I'll do them for $8. Okay, next. More. We have tights. Opaque tights. Leg Elegant. These say they're in an 80D. I don't know what that means. Okay. Okay, they fit 5'2" to 5'10", 100 to 170 pounds. White opaque tights. I don't know. I feel like there could be more than one pair in here because it's kind of thick. Or maybe that's just because of the tights. But it doesn't say there's more than one pair. So if anyone's interested in these, I don't know, $5. We'll stick with that. All right, more socks. This box is very sock and tights heavy. These are adorable though. Look at those. Number One Gifts, designed and registered in England. And look, we got the little telephone booth, Big Ben. Let's see what's on the other side, if it's the same thing. Same thing on the other side. These are in a UK 6 to 11. Is what it says. And then it says Europe 39 to 46. That's neat. No price on these. Anyone's interested? $3. Those are adorable. Okay. Looks like, I'll give you another peek here. Looks like we have a bag, maybe some sunglasses, and a jewelry. Let's go with the jewelry. A baggie with a pair of earrings in it. Right there. So they're not new. I feel like this is a really weird thing to put in a fun box. I could see them throwing in a used pair of like used jewelry if it was like a name brand, but these are just fashion earrings with a rhinestone and like gold backing or brass. They're pretty worn. I don't know about these here. They're pretty worn. trying to see if I saw any markings, but I don't. So there's another jewelry item in here. If anyone purchases that and wants these included, I'll throw them in together. How about that? Gift with purchase. Let's get the other jewelry item out that I saw. Looks like an Alex and Ani. It's Disney. Oh, this is so exciting. I love Disney. Oh, these are so cute. Okay, I'm getting so excited. I'm not even showing you guys. We have a Disney Alex and Ani. This one is Frozen. So you've got Elsa, or maybe it's Anna. I don't know. Be true to yourself. And on the back, it says Disney Alex and Ani. There is some wear on the back. The front looks pretty good. And then it's paired with this one. And that's Olaf. And he says warm hugs. Oh, that's so sweet. And again, the back is marked Disney and some wear there. So if anyone's interested in these, I will do both of the bracelets. You get the set, Disney Frozen bracelets, $5, and then we'll throw in those earrings. How about that? That's a good deal. I love Disney stuff. All right, let's do this next. What is this? A belt? I think this is a belt. Right? Yeah, I would say this is a belt. You've got a chain link belt with this really cool, kind of like a lizard print, green and black. It's probably not real leather. Let me feel these. No, faux leather. Kind of like a ribbon going through all the way. You have the tassels on the end, and then you've got this hook, so you can go in and hook it. Whoops. You can hook it to whichever link you want. That's neat. If anyone's interested in that, $3. That's cool. Sunglasses. Okay, we've got a Kate Spade case. Let's see if the sunglasses inside are Kate Spade or not. The case is pretty beat up. Okay, so it looks like we have some probably prescription strength glasses. These are called the Lori Ann. They are Kate Spade, and the inside says find the magic in everything. Right there. They're really pretty, like a reddish faux tortoiseshell. On the side, you have your spade on the side, and that's on both sides. It's really cool. And then the frame around is like thicker along the top, kind of in that reddish metal tone. And then, is it gold on the bottom? No, it's still that same tone, reddish tone around the bottom. The inside, if you look, around the inside is like gold tone. This is cool. So you could get these swapped out for your own prescription. I'm going to wipe these down just real fast because I'm only assuming they're prescription. Let's see. They were pretty dusty. Oh yes, these are definitely prescription strength. I can't see. So you could swap these out for your own lenses. If anyone's interested in these, how about $15? I have pretty good luck selling frames on eBay. Okay, last item in the box. Looks like we have a backpack. This one's got some wear to it. It is light pink. You can kind of see some staining around the edges, definitely on this strap. It looks like it's a one shoulder bag, and then it's got these different stretchy elastic slots. Not really sure what that's for. Then you've got these outer pockets here, 2 of those, drawstring. There's no flap that goes over the top. Okay, so you just got to do it real tight at the top. It smells very fruity in here. There's like a fruity smell. You've got a slip pocket and then several more of those like netted elastic pockets in here. 3 of them actually. It's a lot of organizational spots. There is like a stretch clip, like a carabiner. You can attach your keys or a wallet or something. And then there's these other zip pockets on the inside. I guess like a hidden pocket where you could put like, I don't know, your keys or wallet or something in here and zip it up. So it's not, you know, I guess if you're worried about someone sticking your hand in. There's another pocket here on the back. This is cool. It's just a little dingy. It needs a good wash and it smells fruity. It's not super deep, so it's kind of cool. And so it's just like a one strap. Just throw it over your shoulder and it is adjustable. Let's see if we find branding. Ooh, okay. I'm not going to pronounce this correctly. Dagne, or maybe it's Dagne Dover. I am not familiar with that, so that's exciting. I will have to go in and look this up. I'll put some information on the screen if I find anything, and also a price if anyone's interested. Okay, well overall, I think that was a pretty good fun box. I don't know about all of the socks and hose. I would like a little more variety than that if I was picking, but let's see how many items we got. So we got the bag for 1. I'm going to do the bracelets last because there were 2 in the bag. We got the belt for 2. 3 and 4 with the hose. 5 with that pair of socks. 6 with the bikini bottom. 7 with the bra. 8 with the wrap. So I guess, let's see, 9 with the glasses. And then the bundle for 10 of the jewelry. So that's, oh wait, and these socks, so 11. So we did get some extra items. I think that's warranted when you're throwing in a couple of pairs of socks, a couple of pairs of pantyhose, and then, I don't know, these earrings I think are weird to throw in, in here, but okay. Fun boxes are random, and that's part of the fun. So let me know what you guys think. I don't think I've gotten a box from Arizona in a minute. So that was fun to go through and open up. I will be back next week with a recap and 2 more unboxings. And then the following week, the week of Christmas, I will not be back on Monday with a recap. I'm going to take Christmas off. Everyone enjoy their holiday. And then I will have 2 unboxings the week after that. All right. So everyone have a great weekend. Let me know what you think about the box. If you're not subscribed, please do, and give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. See you on Monday. Bye.